One of the most paralysing moments an actor can face is when they realise, I don't know what I'm doing. Hello, welcome to Organic Acting. In his book The Actor and the Target, Declan Donnellan, multi-award winning writer, director, artistic director and joint founder of Cheek by Jowl, sets out how an actor can access their emotions. Declan Donnellan obviously knows a lot about acting and its process, but in all honesty, The Actor and the Target is not an easy read. However, at the heart of the book is an intriguing technique that could allow actors freedom in performance and a solution to the I don't know what I'm doing problem. Here is Donnellan's main technique. Rather than focusing within, desperately asking oneself, what should I be doing? What should I be feeling? Why do I feel lost? The actor must find a target in their scene and setting. There is always a target that exists on the outside world, ready and waiting to be discovered. Let's take an example. In this scene, Pauline is telling Grace that the cake Grace made for the staff picnic was tasty and delicious. Grace isn't so sure and feels awful about herself and her cake baking talents. The actor playing Pauline would use Grace as her target. She would see Grace as a kind person, she made the cake after all, who is extremely nervous and unsure and would then move on to change her target. Through the scene's action and dialogue, actor Pauline is working to affect her target, to reassure Grace the cake was a success and to open up good feelings in her. From this, actor Pauline is focused on her target and no longer blocking herself by searching for something to do or feel. This technique is similar in some respects to Stanislavski's, in that while trying to achieve something, the actor can create organic emotion. They aren't trying to make themselves angry or happy or even cry. The emotion is created from the external given circumstances. Like Stanislavski, Donnellan believes an attempt to generate feeling will paralyse the actor. So, in recap, an actor can find a target in the outside world, the scene around them. They can perceive that target, evaluate it, and decide how they want to affect and change that target. Simple, direct, effective. I like that. This notion of the target gives us something to bounce off, to react to. The objective rises from the target. So instead of an actor asking, what am I doing? They ask, what is the target making me do? Donnellan's target technique does come with a set of guidelines. First, the target is always something specific, not general. Even a character struggling for life, with life as a target, has specific images for the actor and what they consider for staying alive. Next, a target is always moving and active. If it can't move, it isn't a target. If it's still, it is dead. A character may want to climb a set of stairs, but the stairs in themselves can't be a target. What is at the top of the stairs should grab our attention. The target is always there, in the outside world of the character and actor, and what's more, is waiting to be discovered. All we need to do as actors is open our eyes and find our target. The target is not only active, but always changing. In the scene, Pauline opens up good feelings in Grace, which inherently changes her as a target. Perhaps she changes and becomes emotional at the good news. Perhaps she changes and becomes arrogant and cocky. The target is changing, transforming, never staying still. This keeps the scene moving, evolving, it gives it momentum. As soon as the target changes, our need to change the target evolves with it. Finally, the target must always be split into two. More specifically, it divides into a better or worse, a win or lose scenario. This gives the action stakes. It elevates the drama and has real consequences for the character and the actor. What happens if Pauline doesn't manage to open up good feelings in Grace? What happens if Pauline doesn't bring Grace back down to earth after Grace starts standing on the coffee table and screaming her own name? As a side note, Donnellan mentions how a target can also be the audience. Imagine a soliloquy, Romeo in Act 2, Scene 2. Romeo is directly addressing the audience. The audience are his target here. The actor Romeo sees that his target is unsure of the qualities of Juliet, and he wants to change their understanding and opinion of her. A big part of Donnellan's technique is the notion of uncomfortable choices, that while searching for and directing our attentions to a target, we must always be questioning our methods and making uncomfortable choices. For example, should we see or show? We must always make the uncomfortable choice and choose one. No actor can have both. In this case, we must always see. Seeing is about the target, noticing it, seeing it must be changed, seeing it split into two, seeing it transform. Showing is about you, the actor, the inside. Bringing one's attention inside is the path to actor's block. Next, certainty or faith. We can have one, but not both. Here, the actor and the target chooses faith. An actor must have faith. Faith that he will remember his lines, that his movement will be free, that the prop didgeridoo will be in the correct place at the end of scene 5. Certainty can paralyse the actor. An obsession with certainty, with going over lines again and again and again, of checking our costume obsessively, destroys faith. Creativity or curiosity. Trying to be creative is a dead end. It gives us the feeling that we must push, do more, be better, outdo, reinvent the wheel. Curiosity is liberating and more in line with our target. We should be curious about the target, our feelings towards it, and how we can change it. Next, originality or uniqueness. We must choose, we can't have both. Donnellan believes that each actor is unique. An actor playing Act 2, Scene 2 will play that scene differently from the thousands of actors who have played it before. Each actor will see through eyes that are unique to them. Trying to be original will block the actor. No Romeo can ever break from tradition and be totally original. So, there we are, a fresh perspective on using a stimulus, our target, to guide us through our scene and drama, allowing our focus to change our movement, intention, emotion, and even our breath. It would be great if Declan Donnellan had edited the actor and the target down and condensed it into something more reader-friendly. But if you're up for a challenge, a worthwhile technique lies at its heart. I hope you enjoyed this video. There is a super thanks button below if you'd like to support the channel and help me buy my own slice of that wonderful cake Grace made. Please remember to like and subscribe. I've been Chris, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.